Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mitopedia. My name is Mahavir and in this video I will show you how to earn money on the Roz Dhan app. The Roz Dhan app is one of the best apps on the Google Play Store to earn the extra money. You can earn your extra pocket money using this Roz Dhan app. Now let's jump directly into my phone and see how to earn money on the Roz Dhan app. To earn extra pocket money, we are going to make use of Roz Dhan Earn Wallet app. This app allows us to earn extra pocket money by completing certain tasks and playing games. The Roz Dhan app has 4 as the rating and has very good user ratings and reviews. By just signing up on the app, you get directly rupees 50 in your Roz Dhan wallet app, and once you reach up to rupees 300, then you can withdraw the money by Paytm. Now let's download the app in the Google Play Store by clicking on the install button. After downloading, the app will get installed on your phone and then you need to open it. After opening the app, we can see a banner which shows Roz Dhan logo, and on the next screen we need to select the language that we want. In order to get the benefits from the app, click on the Get Money button, and on the next page you'll see there are two options. One, to log in using Google, and second, to log in using Facebook. I have logged in using my Google ID and I have got rupees 25 for creating an account on Roz Dhan app. I need to click on the get button to get rupees 25 in my Roz Dhan wallet. Then we will be redirected to new user bonus pack screen. Over there we can see that there's a offer which says get rupees 25 or 30 guaranteed. I will click on the get button. I will click on the get rupees 25 button. Now you can see that again I have got rupees 25. Also, there are many other bonuses which you guys can try. You can get up to rupees 2332 for just inviting users on the Roz Dhan app. You just need to share the invite link on the WhatsApp or Facebook groups or on Telegram to your friends, and then once the user logs in into the Roz Dhan app, you will get up to rupees 2332. As you guys can see, people have earned more than rupees 50,000 to rupees 1 lakh on the Roz Dhan app. They have given the whole list. Then there is a section called New User Special Events. You get Roz Dhan coins over there. On the first day you get 50 coins. Then on the second day you get 100 coins. And they have also given the list of coins that you get on each day. The accumulated coins can then be encashed. As you guys can see, I have got 50 Roz Dhan coins. I have navigated to the main screen. On the top side, we can see a Roz Dhan coins and the balance of the real cash that we have got. If we click on the withdraw button, then we can see the withdraw balance screen. Over there, we can clearly see that the minimum withdrawal amount is rupees 300. And for payout, we need to mention our name which is there on the Paytm along with the Paytm registered mobile number. There are many inbuilt games on this Roz Dhan app, and once you play these games then you get Roz Dhan coins. These Roz Dhan coins will later be converted to the cash amount. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was informational for you. So don't compromise on hitting the subscribe button down. Also, please like and share my video. Thank you.